In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best 3D printer on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best 3D printer on Amazon. Number 1, Bambu Lab P1S Mini Combo 3D Printer with AMS Light, Multicolor Printing, High-Speed Precision FDM Printer, Auto Calibration, Active Flow Rate Compensation. Ultra-quiet less than or equal to 48 dB. Multicolor printing with AMS Light. Easily print in multiple colors and materials with the included AMS Light system. High speed and precision. Performance Advanced Motion System delivers fast printing without sacrificing detail and accuracy. Full auto calibration, automatic bed leveling, vibration compensation, and tuning. For hassle-free setup. Active flow rate compensation ensures consistent extrusion for smooth surfaces and high-quality prints. Ultra-quiet operation, less than or equal to 48 dB, designed for quiet performance. Ideal for home, office, or studio environments. User-friendly experience, simple setup and intuitive controls make it great for beginners and experienced users. Compact and space-saving design, small footprint, fits easily on desks or workstations. Reliable FDM printing supports a wide range of filaments for versatile creative projects. The Bambu Lab P1S Mini Combo 3D Printer with AMS Light is a powerful, compact solution designed for creators who want high-quality, multicolor 3D printing with minimal effort. Combining advanced technology with user-friendly features, this printer delivers professional-level results in a space-saving design. With the included AMS Light system, you can print in multiple colors or materials seamlessly, opening up new possibilities for creative and functional projects. The high-speed motion system ensures fast print times while maintaining exceptional precision and detail. Setting up the P1S Mini is effortless thanks to its full auto calibration system, which handles bed leveling and performance tuning automatically. The active flow rate compensation technology further enhances print quality by ensuring smooth and consistent filament extrusion, operating at a quiet less than or equal to 48 dB. This printer is perfect for use in home or office environments without causing distractions. Its compact design makes it easy to fit into any workspace, while still offering the performance of larger machines. Number 2, ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D Printer, Core XY High-Speed 500mm per second printing, Auto Calibration, 320 degrees Celsius nozzle, built-in camera, 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume. Ready to print FDM printer. Ultrafast Core XY system achieves printing speeds up to 500 mm per second for rapid and efficient production. Auto calibration system, automatic bed leveling and tuning for hassle-free setup and consistent print quality. High temperature 320 degrees Celsius nozzle supports advanced filaments, including high-performance materials. Built-in camera monitoring, real-time remote monitoring of your prints for better control and convenience. Generous build volume, 256 by 256 by 256 mm print size for a wide range of projects and models. Ready to print out of the box, pre-assembled design allows quick setup and immediate use. Stable and precise printing, Core XY structure ensures accuracy, reduced vibration, and smoother prints. Modern user experience, ideal for beginners and advanced users with intuitive operation. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D Printer is designed for speed, precision, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced makers. Featuring an advanced Core XY motion system, this printer delivers ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second while maintaining high accuracy and stability. With a high-temperature nozzle capable of reaching up to 320 degrees Celsius, the Centauri Carbon supports a wide variety of filaments, including advanced and engineering-grade materials. This versatility allows you to tackle everything from simple prototypes to complex functional parts. The fully automatic calibration system simplifies setup by handling bed leveling and performance adjustments, ensuring consistent, high-quality prints with minimal effort. Additionally, the built-in camera lets you monitor your prints in real time, providing greater control and peace of mind. offering a spacious 256 by 256 by 256. Number 3, Creality K2 Pro Combo, a 3D printer with CFS, multicolor printing, 600 mm per second high speed, dual AI cameras, active chamber heating, auto leveling. 300 by 300 by 300 mm large build volume. Multicolor printing with CFS, seamlessly print in multiple colors and materials with the advanced color filament system. Ultrafast 600 mm per second printing, high-speed performance for rapid prototyping and efficient production. Dual AI camera system, intelligent monitoring with real-time print tracking and error detection. Active chamber heating maintains optimal temperature for improved print quality and material compatibility. Auto leveling system, fully automatic bed leveling ensures consistent, high-precision prints. Large 300 by 300 by 300 mm build volume, ideal for larger models and batch printing projects. High precision and stability. Advanced structure minimizes vibration for smoother, more accurate results. User-friendly setup designed for easy operation, suitable for both beginners and professionals. The Creality K2 Pro Combo, a 3D printer, is a powerful, next-generation machine designed for creators who demand speed, precision, and versatility. Equipped with the advanced color filament system, CFS, this printer enables seamless multicolor and multi-material printing, unlocking new creative possibilities for your projects. With blazing fast print speeds of up to 600 mm per second, the K2 Pro. Number 4, Original Prusa Core 1 3D printer, fully assembled and tested, ready-to-use FDM printer with removable print sheets, includes 1 kg Prusa PLA. 9.8 by 8.6 by 10.6 in build volume, fully assembled and tested, ready to print right out of the box with factory calibration and quality assurance. Reliable Core XY architecture, stable, precise motion system for consistent and high-quality prints. Removable print sheets, flexible build plates make part removal quick and easy. Includes 1 kg Prusa PLA. Start printing immediately with high-quality filament included. Compact build volume, 9.8 by 8.6 by 10.6 inches, ideal for everyday prints and functional parts. High precision printing, engineered for accuracy, smooth finishes, and dependable performance. User-friendly experience, suitable for beginners while offering advanced features for experienced users. Durable and proven design, built with premium components for long-term reliability. The original Prusa Core 1 3D printer is a premium, ready-to-use machine designed for users who value reliability, precision, and ease of use. Fully assembled and thoroughly tested at the factory, this printer eliminates the hassle of setup, allowing you to start printing right out of the box. Built on a stable Core XY architecture, the Core 1 delivers accurate and consistent results, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced makers. The included removable print sheets make it easy to detach finished models without damaging prints, improving workflow efficiency. With a practical build volume. Number 5, Bambu Lab P1S 3D printer, fully enclosed Core XY, multicolor and multi-material, up to 16 colors, 500 mm per second high-speed printing, auto bed leveling, large build volume, ready-to-use FDM printer. Multicolor and multi-material printing supports up to 16 colors when paired with AMS for advanced creative projects. High-speed 500 mm per second printing. Fast Core XY system delivers rapid prints without sacrificing quality. Fully enclosed design maintains stable temperature for improved print quality and advanced material compatibility. Auto bed leveling, intelligent calibration ensures consistent first layers and reliable results. High precision performance, engineered for smooth surfaces, fine details, and accurate prints. Large build volume, ideal for larger models or batch printing multiple parts. Ready-to-use setup, pre-assembled and easy to start printing right out of the box. Smart connectivity and monitoring, supports modern control features for a seamless user experience. The Bambu Lab P1S 3D printer is a powerful and versatile machine designed for creators who demand speed, precision, and flexibility. Built with a robust Core XY motion system, it delivers blazing fast printing speeds of up to 500 mm per second,